Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Tech Tips for Everybody, and today we're going to do something sort of different. We're going to do a YouTube tutorial on customizing your YouTube channel. So, before we get started, please like this video and subscribe to this channel, and let's get into it. So, the first thing you're going to want to know is that instead of doing this on Google, Safari, or Chrome browser, you're going to want to get an app called Firefox. Firefox. So, Firefox is another browser that's going to make this easy to do because you can't do it on Chrome, Google, Safari, etc. Because, so a lot of people will say that, you can only customize your channel on a desktop or computer, but that's not true. If you have Firefox, which allows you to switch browsers into desktop mode, then you can do the same thing that you would want to do on a computer. So you're going to want to go to YouTube on Firefox, and it will bring you to this YouTube page, and you're going to want to click the three dots in the top right corner, and you're going to do request desktop site. So this is pretty much what it would look like on a computer, but you're on a phone, obviously. So you're going to click the right-hand corner where it has your logo. If you haven't set up your account on this thing, if you don't have a YouTube account or you haven't put it in here, please do that. So, you're going to then click your channel. And here, since my thing is Tech Tips for Everybody, it's going to have my uploads here. So again, you're going to click on your logo at the top right corner. You're going to do your channel, and then you're going to click the blue button that says customize channel. Okay, so now here you're at the layout section, and this is where you can customize your channel trailer and the featured video for returning subscribers. For my channel trailer, I put my green screen iMovie tutorial, which is a great video. If you haven't checked that out, please do. And and why I put it for the trailer, it's pretty much because it's a great video and it's interesting. A lot of people like to see these kind of videos, so that's why I put it at the trailer. For branding, if you click branding, it has your profile picture and all your pretty much appearance things. So my video watermark and profile picture are the same. It's my my logo for this channel. And then for the image banner, I just made this on a site that I'll show you in another YouTube tutorial video. I just got an app, and it's super easy, and you can make logos and all that on this app, and I'll show you that in another video. So this part's kind of easy. You just can upload it. And for the video watermark, what I did is I put in a custom start time, which was after my intro ended in each video, which is about 15 seconds in. So that's why it is like that. And then if you go to basic info, this is where you can change the channel name in your description. And yeah, it's kind of simple when you put it like this. So remember the basic key things you need to do. You need to do it on Firefox and use the specific instructions that I did. If you need to rewatch the video, please do that. If you need to pause in between, please do that. It's a pretty easy method, and it's not that hard once you know how to do it. So please subscribe to this channel and leave a comment what you guys want to see, either with YouTube tutorials, iMovie tutorials, or video tutorials, or really anything else. Just tell me what you want to see on another program. So that is it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.